Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Google Photos app and cancel account. So here, if your Android use this, or if you set Google Photo apps as your default gallery, you can try to uninstall it and cancel the account. All you have to do now, you can hold this application icon and tap on app info. Here, if you see there, if you aware, there is no uninstall option here. If you access the application info, it's only for stop or disable. If you tap three dot at the top of your screen, is only uninstall the updates, not the application itself. So in order to delete this Google Photos, you have to go to the Play Store. You can tap Play Store, then try to find Google Photos on search filter, and here we go. This is the Google Photo. You can tap it. Now here we go, there is uninstall button here. So just simply tap uninstall. No Google Photos app will be removed from your device. And also, if you want to keep this Google Photos on your device as your default gallery, make sure you keep up to date. So here, what's new is introducing a new storage management. Introducing a new storage management to help you easily manage the photos that count toward your storage quota. So this tool will surface photo or videos you might want to delete, like blurry photos, screenshots, and large videos. So feel free to try to uninstall Google Photos app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.